one down side there, and one right there. One there on the side. That should be it. You're gonna put your flathead screwdriver up on the crease and pull this piece out. Unloose the wires. Unloose the wires. There's a fillet right there. Once you take that piece out, it's a fillet inside of there. Get that out, right there. Put the same screwdriver up in the groove, pull it out. Oh, it's two of them. There's another one there. It's two of them. Take it out. It's two of those. Take this piece out. Get that out. Check this out. Undo the wires. You see the yellow and the blue. The yellow one is for the lock and the blue one is for the handle. When you guys put these back together, if you guys mix up these and don't put them back in the right place, the door will not open. So, what you do, you mark it. That's it. That means the green go back in the same place. Took care of that. Let's take off this duct tape light. We're gonna call it a duct tape light. It's 3 number 10 bolt nut. 3 number 10 nut. That fell down inside the door. Next time, when you do that, use your magnet. You take it out halfway and you screw it out. Get you with the magnet. I don't need to hold that duct tape light and let it shit fall. See that? That's how you take it out. That's a duct tape light, so it's fine. You can do that. That shit is no good. Normally, I hold it and take it out. But I'm not holding that. He's holding himself already. All right. Now let's take out that handle. Let's take the duct tape light. You see this duct tape light? This is duct tape light. That's crazy. Now let's take out this handle. This is an old school handle though, but this car is old. The handle is old school. Let's put this window back up. Because I guarantee you that that lock have that little split thing that holds it. That's how old this shit is. Leave that. Yep, I was right. You sure do got it in there. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show y'all too. I'm gonna show you what old this is. The new cats. All right. To take out this lock, y'all see this piece? Just push this piece up. When you put this piece back inside there, you make sure it goes inside the groove just like that, because that is what holds it. That's it. Just push this piece up and take it out. To take out the handle, there's 2 number 10. 2 of them. Let's use that one. You see, that's number one. That's number two. There's the plastic piece that's holding the cable on. You're gonna pry that plastic piece back. But be careful you don't break that plastic piece. Y'all see that plastic piece right there? You're gonna push this in between it. All right. You see it? You open up this piece and you pull out the rod. That's how you take it off. Now when you close this door to open it back up, you see that you see this rod right here? Just push the rod down. But I advise you, if you're not going to send this car straight to paint and you will be opening up this door back and forth, just put back the handle until it's time for it to pour the paint. Okay? That's how you do that. All right, guys? I'll catch you guys on the other one. Tell everybody, Working Wayne is giving out lessons. Tell everybody you know. See you guys on the next one. Checking out. Boom.